Hi, my name is Nathan Pottle. This is my final project. This is the coffee table / standing desk that I made. So I'll show you the different components. We have an induction motor here, and this is actually pulled out of a garage door opener. And this over here, this is just different components here. You have some springs that keep the chain tensioned, and this is actually driven with a worm gear. Then over here, you can see we have our limit switch, which you can actually see that here on the display where we have all the electronics. When the limit switch is hit, it says the limit switch has been flipped, and it stops the motor. Up here we have a distance sensor. That's where the distance is being read out of, and the distance sensor is actually what controls and tells the motor when to stop. So we have the IR remote here that communicates with the IR sensor down here. It's just sitting at the bottom of the underside of the table. So if we do this, it goes down, and all we have to do is we have to, and it raises back up. Here on the distance sensor, it's reading about 38 inches. It is about 38 inches. Okay, so I want to show that the distance sensor really is reading out to the display here. So you can see right now it is at about, if I don't put my hand in the way, it's about 38, 39 almost. So if I move this up manually, you can see that and the plug on the limit switch came out, that's why it says that, but you can see that it has gone up, and if I lower it back down, it goes back down. Okay, so now I want to show that the limit switch here actually does function properly. And once I release, it has stopped the table, it's not going to continue. And we can just continue once we have made sure that everything is clear. And then we can raise it back up as well. Okay, so in the electronics box, you can see here we have the relay set up and all the different wires, including a buzzer that sounds when you start the Arduino up. It also sounds when the limit switch is pressed. And also, right now the motor is unplugged so that it won't move, so you can see. But when we press the down button, the relay turns on, and you could hear the buzzer as well.